Hi, I'm Jennifer Jumis, and I'm a voiceover artist. I've learned that paying attention to the sound of your breath in your recording is important if you want to sound professional. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to need to remove all of your breath sounds in your recordings. It depends on the type of project you're doing. If the script or character that you're trying to portray is laughing or sighing or trying to portray emotions like exasperation, then the sound of the breath is probably vital to that portrayal of the emotion, so you don't want to remove that. However, most of the time you are going to want to know how to lessen or remove the sounds of your breath. So let me show you 2 ways of how to do that.